Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Corsair K70 Core RGB mechanical keyboard. Corsair has been a prominent player in the gaming peripherals market, and with the K70 Core RGB, they're aiming to deliver a top-notch experience without breaking the bank. Let's see if they've hit the mark. Alright, let's talk design. The K70 Core RGB boasts a sleek and professional aesthetic with its aluminum top plate and full-size layout. It's got that classic Corsair look with double-shot ABS keycaps and per-key RGB lighting. Plus, it comes with an adjustable rotary knob, which is a nice touch for fine-tuning your settings on the fly. Now, let's talk about what matters, the switches. Corsair has equipped the K70 Core RGB with their pre-lubed Corsair red switches. And let me tell you, these switches are smooth as butter. The 45 grams actuation force strikes a nice balance between responsiveness and comfort, making it great for both gaming and typing. Typing on this keyboard is an absolute dream. Whether you're pounding out emails or engaging in an intense gaming session, the Corsair Reds deliver a satisfying experience with minimal noise. And thanks to the 2 layers of EVA foam in the case, there's virtually zero case ping, which enhances the overall typing experience. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite feature, RGB lighting. The K70 Core RGB features stunning per-key RGB lighting that can be customized to your heart's content using Corsair's IQ software. The colors are vibrant, and the lighting effects are smooth as silk, making for a visually stunning addition to any setup. In terms of additional features, the K70 Core RGB doesn't disappoint. It comes with onboard storage for up to 5 profiles, media keys for convenient control, and a magnetic wrist rest for added comfort during long gaming sessions. Plus, the included control dial adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to adjust volume, brightness, and more with ease. So, what's the verdict? Well, the Corsair K70 Core RGB is a fantastic keyboard that offers a premium typing and gaming experience without breaking the bank. With its smooth switches, vibrant RGB lighting, and thoughtful design features, it's a solid choice for anyone in the market for a new keyboard. Overall, I highly recommend checking out the K70 Core RGB if you need an upgrade. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.